On the left, the AI ask, and it answers. On the right, the new kind. It reads files, runs commands, keeps going. Chatbots answer, agents act. This video is the new rulebook, and yes, keep using them. What is an agent? You give it a goal. It plans, acts, checks its own work, and repeats until the job is done. The difference is not intelligence, it is hands. Those hands arrive as tools, often wired in through something called an MCP server. Think plugs. Your files, your browser, your database, your email. Each plug is a power, and an agent is exactly as safe as the plugs it has been given. Watch this line. Mid-task, an agent can download and run software written by strangers. Your laptop has a supply chain now. That sentence is worth pausing on, not scrolling past. Story 1. The task was fix the billing bug. It opened a config file, found a database password, connected, and queried production. Nobody pasted anything. Agents read everything they can reach. Story 2. Asked to sign the team up for a tool, an agent filled the vendor form with customer data from an open tab. Helpful and harmful with the same motion. And because agents act on what they read, a poison page or file can hand yours someone else's instructions. One more reason to watch what it can reach. Which brings us to the moment you are in control, the permission prompt. Run the email test on what it is about to touch. Unsure, grant once. And never trade, always allow for one saved click. Allow once. The task finishes fine. Nothing was lost but one click. The same inventory you saw for tools in Module 3 now lists agents and which plugs each one holds. That is help, not surveillance. So, the rulebook. Agents act, plugs are powers, email test the prompt, run them in the open. Keep using agents, just verify before you ship whatever they did. That is the whole picture. 6 videos ago you knew one habit, now you know the terrain. There is a short quiz and a certificate with your name on it at aona.ai/learn. If the series was useful, send it to your IT team. The rollout kit lives at the same address.